Have you ever wondered which USB drives were connected to your Windows PC in the past? Maybe you are checking for security, or you just want to track your own devices. Today, I'll show you exactly how to check USB connection history and even log future USB activities. Before we dive in, if you don't want to go through all these manual steps, I built a one-click version of this that safely does everything for you and shows your USB history instantly. It's called USB Activity Guardian. The link is in the pinned comment if you would rather automate this and get a much more refined outcome. By default, Windows does not log plugged or unplugged USB events. We need to turn it on once, and then it will start recording all USB events. To do this, press Windows plus X on your keyboard and select Terminal Administrator or PowerShell Administrator. Now type WEVTUTIL. This is the built-in Windows tool that manages event logs. SL stands for set log. We are changing settings for a log. Microsoft Windows Driver Frameworks, User Mode, Operational is the specific log where Windows stores USB plug or unplug events. True tells Windows to enable logging. Now Windows will start keeping track of every USB device you plug in or remove. Let us enable deeper device configuration logging. Type WEVTUTIL SL. Microsoft Windows Kernel PNP is a log that tracks lower level hardware events like how Windows talks to your USB devices internally. Configuration True enables logging here as well. This command helps provide extra details about devices being configured or removed. It can help catch some devices that don't appear in the first log. Alright, let's see this in action. I'm going to plug in a USB drive right now. Watch carefully. I have physically inserted a USB drive into my PC. Now you have to take note of the exact time on your system clock. You will see it to verify the log later. Next, I'm going to safely remove the USB drive. The system will record this removal. Now that we have plugged in and removed our USB drive, let's see how Windows recorded these events. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box and type Event Viewer.msc. Then press Enter. This opens the Event Viewer, which is a Windows built-in tool for seeing system events. Now let's navigate through the left-hand panel. Select Applications and Services log. From there, Microsoft, Windows, Driver Frameworks, User Mode. Operational is where Windows keeps track of USB plug and unplug events. Next, we will only look at the events we care about, which is the USB plugins and removals. In the Event ID list, search for the log on ID 2003 and ID 2100 and simply double-click on them. If you need past history events, simply scroll down for more events with these exact IDs. 2003 shows when a USB device was connected, and 2100 shows when a USB device was removed. These logs prove Windows tracked the USB removal and connection successfully, and the timestamp matches what we noted earlier. Future events will continue to appear automatically. So now you have seen the full manual process. As you can tell, it works, but it's not well refined. If you would rather have this done instantly and without touching system settings yourself, check out USB Activity Guardian. It activates everything properly and gives you a clean USB activity dashboard in seconds. The link is in the pinned comment below.